What what is up, YouTube? I'm I'm back. I know it's been a long time, but today I'm gonna be playing some Respawnables. I've gotten back into this game, and I have finally got the revolver. So we're gonna jump into a multiplayer match, and we're gonna see how I can do with the revolver. Um, Currently, this Ghostbusters event has been really fun. The matches are insanely crazy, dude. Uh, People all over the place. Just insane. What just happened? Okay. I have no idea what just happened right there, but okay. So I unlocked the revolver, haven't used it yet. We're gonna see how I can do now. So we're just gonna jump right into a match. Yeah. Okay, so right off the bat I noticed that I'm more agile when I have the revolver. Uh like I can run faster. Someone up here. Man, this is a powerful weapon. Um, Keep your eyes open for more reviews because I have unlocked a couple new weapons from this challenge, so I'll be doing reviews on them as well. Um, okay, I'm doing actually pretty decent. That was a headshot. Nice. Um, I joined very late, so we're gonna play one more match, and then I'll show you how I can do in the next match. I hope I can do as good as I just did. Like, I didn't. Normally, I get wrecked in this game. So I'll show you the weapons I'll be doing reviews on shortly. Um, One of them being the plasma punch. There's a Ghostbusters camo on it, which is really cool. And the other one being, where is it? The plasma shotgun, which is just the normal plasma shotgun, no cool camo on that. So keep your eyes open for that. Those reviews will be out shortly. Yeah, so we're going to play this. This is going to be our last match since I joined the other one late. I'm going to see how I can do with this revolver. Like I said, haven't used the revolver very much. Or like at all. Wow, just took out a howitzer guy. Man, that was... Okay, so I'm getting away from there. That fight is not happening. That was way too far away, that range. Okay, howitzer got me. Um, oh god. So the weapon holds 6 bullets in a round, which is good, very good, because most of these weapons don't hold that many. Like the ones that I'm going to be reviewing don't hold as many. And this weapon has great range, great power. I love this weapon. It was $65,000 in the store. Damn. Okay, I got wrecked. So 65K, which is actually quite a bit. Like, it takes a while to save up. Like, I played so much last night. Like, I grinded for like at least 4 hours just to get the 2 weapons that I'm going to be reviewing shortly. Alright, this guy's lagged out. Alright, come on. What? Dude, no way. I totally had that guy. I had the advantage over him. Alright, I reload. Wait, someone... Where'd that guy go? Oh, he turned into a Stay Puft. That's what he did. Now, these things give so much ectoplasm. If you want to get a lot of ectoplasm, just shoot and kill these things. If you have one of those Ghostbuster traps, just set one out for him to walk into. Come on. Oh, that's sweet. The Yeti costume with the freaking Ghostbuster shirt. It's pretty cool. Alright. Oh, reload. Oh, my God. Alright, let's get away from this guy, because this guy, he stomps and he kills you really fast. Alright. I get killed by another revolver, dude. People are using revolver all over the place in this game. Oh, crap. Reload. Did I kill him? I wonder if I killed him. No, this guy did. This little... Come on. I was hoping I would get a good gameplay for you guys, but it appears that's not what you're getting today, so... That's my sort of overview of the revolver. It's a good weapon. I recommend it. It's a very, very nice weapon. I also recommend if you have ever deleted this game to re-download it, because I deleted it at the soccer event because I was just sick of it. I got bored, but just re-download it, give it another try. It surprised me last night when I re-downloaded it, and it was fun. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below what you'd like to see, and keep in tune for those 2 other weapon reviews. Thank you. Bye.